Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hi, I'm Reynolds. Let's do some fishing. Little intro first. It's finally spring. Finally got some good weather. We're gonna do some jigging. If you don't know what jigging is, you don't need to know what jigging is, you know what I mean? If you don't know what it is, why are you watching this? Here's how I'm gonna jig today. Black and blue. See this little guy here? That's a little crawdaddy boy. He sits right there on the edge of the hook and says, "Come on in. Come on over here, let me hug you." Look at that woman. Look at that woman over there, just meditating away. Can you meditate for me? Can you bring on the fish? Bring on the fish. You ever seen anyone do one of these with a 95? This is straight dad status here. Look at that. I got the 95 on a tripod and I'm holding it out in front of me. That's how confident you've got to be in this world. You have to be that confident. Otherwise, you're gonna fucking lose. But no, seriously, jigging, I like to jig. If you don't know what jigging is, once again, I don't know why you're watching this. When I jig, I like to scrape the bottom. I like to plop it a little bit. I go real slow though. Let me show you what I do. Well, you can't always win on the first cast. Well, I'll be gosh darn giggity good. My crawdaddy daddy came apart. That was a good cast. Woo! That there's a rare, undiscovered breed of stick. Am I gonna get skunked? Come on. What is this place? I don't even know. I don't even know what that is. I'm having all sorts of trouble. This freaking crawdad. I think this jig is totally busted. I've just caught so many fish on it. Every single time I'm getting a stuck in a tree. Okay, back. New angle too, because I'm feeling it. Just replaced my crawdaddy attachment with a new one that had a more putrid smell. When in doubt, go with the stink. Out of the tree! God! Keep trying to remain calm. And this is like the best looking day we've had. You're telling me they're not gonna bite? That I don't get. Crying out loud. Tree again! Chicks are being ruined. Life is being ruined. I'm gonna sit right here and have another beer in Mexico. There's a spot right there. That's a good cast. Hey! Just lost a fish. Well, it's like all the fish have left. It's like they heard we were bringing a camera and they said, you know what? I never signed up for this. I'm just now realizing how bad it must sound with that really loud thing. Probably haven't been talking loud enough. It's beginning to look a lot like they won't bite. Stuck in the tree again. They're right here having a beer in Mexico. At least I look good while I fish. Otherwise, what would you be watching? It's like the fish don't exist, man. It's like poof, there they are. Poof, then they weren't. No fish. Just none. Power stance. Oh. Sometimes when nothing's working, try something that makes no sense. They're playing hardball today. They're playing hardball. Come out with your fins up. Your last warning. That's cold. Well, I'll be goddamned. Terry Lynn, I'm gonna need you to meditate a little harder. I ain't caught a goddamn one yet.
Well, I just started.
Try hard, please. One jig color doesn't work, you try a different one. Oh. Today on Reynolds, I teach you how to get caught in a tree. It's a fun little thing I like to do from time to time. Stubborn little monkeys today. They must have ate right before I got here. Somebody was out fishing this motherfucker. Pretty sure we just had a bite. Super cool, man. Every time I'm here, those kids are on that trampoline, man. I never had a trampoline as a child. What is going on? The fish got wind of old Rex. They said, you know what would be funny? You screwed up Rex's season 3. That'd be hilarious. They're not wrong. Mother of God. Tell you, this place I'm at, it's called Cricket Stick. It's on a golf course. It's a golf course pond. And I get why they call it stick, because it's really all it's got, sticks. That just broke my pole. Well, looks like we gotta get a new fishing pole. I can't believe that, God. Luckily, I have another pole in the car. This is a completely wasted fishing trip. Alright! Numero uno! Come here. Finally, the Rock has come back! I'm gonna name you Dwayne. Ladies and gentlemen, meet Dwayne. He's a healthy looking boy! Healthy looking boy! Folks, we finally caught one. This is Dwayne. He's the Rock Johnson. He's a healthy little guy. He's not going on your wall. Finally! Finally! You always gotta pose for a picture.
Got the car keys.
Why?
Congrats to you. I want to put my stuff away.
You gonna try and smoke my weed?
No. Your weed is my weed.
It's the best weed. That was a good looking fish, wasn't it?
It was.
That was Dwayne. His name was Dwayne. He was hiding. He was trying to pretend he didn't want the jig. But he wanted it. He wanted it. So yeah, pro tip. Name your fish. It's fun. Can we get another fishing time? See, the season 3 opener's been a struggle. My name's Reynolds, and I've come to catch some fish. Yeah! Just like that. Number 2!
I did it.
Woo! Woohoo! Woohoo! Look how healthy they are.
That's spots. They're pretty.
You're so pretty.
Can I kiss it?
Don't forget to name your fish and the release. Woo! Dude, 19 minutes left. We're catching fish now. We are catching fish. It all started when I decided to get in the water. Brave the elements. No. Get jiggy with it. What? How much time I got? Oh my God, the pressure.
11 minutes and 30 seconds.
How many times? Sing me a song, little piano man.
Okay, they're gone. You can resume antics.
Perfect cast.
Oh, you got yourself stuck.
I'd like to get 3 for season 3.
Oh, that would be a good opener.
How much time I got? Oh my God, the pressure.
11 minutes and 30 seconds. Do you want a time check?
Yeah.
6 minutes and 30 seconds.
What is this? Vegetation. Motherfucking vegetation.
Do you want time?
Yeah.
2 minutes.
Oh, it's not gonna happen.
Oh, that's how it's.
This can't be how it ends. No!
You caught 2 fish in a tree. Oh, quick! You better be quick.
No!
Oh shit!
Bad cast. No way! No way! Oh, I'm not kidding!
Get it in.
Oh, the biggest one! The biggest one,
Get it.
too!
Get it.
Ah! We did it! Season 3, eat more butthole! Yes! Woohoo! The best one, too!
Yes. Oh, sorry, that was so crooked. But it's
Oh!
over. That's it.
Still filming?
Nope. You literally were that down to the wire.